So what we've got here is a band sawmill blade, and what's happened is I've had this particular blade on the mill, milled a fair bit, put it to one side and not really touched it again, run out of good blades. Now it's time to renew one so I can do some more milling this afternoon. So I don't know if you can see, but this one's facing forwards, this one's facing backwards, this one's level, this one's facing forwards, this one's facing backwards, this one's level. So that's how they go in sets of 3, left, right, straight, and then that, as it's cutting through the wood, hopefully gets you a nice clean flat cut with no waves up and down and what have you. So what this piece of contraption here is for clamping the blade in like this, and getting that and pushing that down and pulling this one round with your elbow, and that just pushes them nice and tight. Then we go 1, 2, 3, so that then that gets us back to where this bolt here, when this pushes this way, that bolt pushes this tooth this way, as then on this tooth, with the action of this going like that, will push against this tooth to give us that set. The one behind is then the straight one, so that's why we then go 1, 2, 3. So then you slacken off and you go 1, 2, 3, back up, in tight, clamp down, and repeat. And as you can see, that's where we just started, so come back to you in a minute.